Kabamsa bampong kalolong kawai ni kimat jingkren balatakran do klidu All Indian Congress Committee AICC Rahul Gandhi haka jingelang balolong hasorong po haka jingwan jungo jungu balwa sakhilang lagi nongelam ke parti kentup nadu ke nongelam ke AICC bal MPCC hadin balwa pendap ke jingek kejat na umneng kedai cedu kemadan NSCA PAMC nong po haka arfa atrikulan kot aja usau Dei nongelam ke AICC balatakran Sorkar Jylla pemantala penken mau jing ter lingbau menteri ketenat ikampo yeng ke Sorkar Padang Amit Shah bala kena peleng dang isnem bladam bak Sorkar Meghalaya Kadei ke Sorkar bala pau bah ikambam sap kiti ke kambam sap ki pau bah ki jimpnia be anyo marpo khando ne do yong bat ki wele ki kambam sap lalu ke jing takranya ikambam sap Rahul kena ru bade hakani ke ju ke Sorkar kemba pau menta bakam don bor naladehi rela pnia iya ka lagi bor bahalor nadu dalhi Rahul ong bak kongres ka angnut palda kanwan ha kabor ka kwa bo trais nong hi unlong noilam om ubana barsnong baru ki riti de store by culture tan rai dei tang ka kongres ka bakwa bagi trai Jylla na kanunu ka Jylla ki dei ban tingkai omul pendu pendam no yaki ka balong ru ka sinjam man penjan ya ka jinga dei hapring noilam ka parti bagi trai Jylla ki bagi song gisa laong utei uno helam.
The nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ka jongi menta kayo ya ka jing bom don kam don jam ka ba shirkai menta ka ba kraw tam hakine ki south house nem ki balale.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya Kadei ka Sorkar ka babam saptam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidei ki babam saptam tang hadin ka to kanes ni menta uya trelang matki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khai tu yo doyong bat ka dome jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kini kita kisin ki ba mangi baro ni yoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki kelempat penderung hadu menta hapo ka 8th schedule. Kidon ar tali kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8th schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Hilap jingeda kumno ban penne ya karti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki Adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjok menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelok sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingi la ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kawai hadin kawai.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Chodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kini ki mat ki ba konsan ki ba ngako aman pun smeu si ki pa ba haga jingyai kijat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Chodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham konsan tam ka thong ka bangabu haga ka jingyai kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong banya kren mati bat ban snap yapi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban snow thu ya ka jing angnot but ka jing pos new jongki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban snow thu ya ka jing ba ki nongrat na ka ka Jylla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lap ka kabu ka bala ban le ka ka Jylla ka jong.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kong santam na kamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jingya dei hapdeng jonga bat kipai ba langsung sunong hapo ka Jylla
I come here with humility with respect, with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing snorit ban snap ya pi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jongpi but ban snow ban snap ya ki jingdon kam ki jongpi.
I am not here to tell you my man ki baat. I am here to listen to your man ki baat.
Na klemwan hangne ban pun snow ya ka jing snow ka donut ka jonga hanre ngawan hangne ban snap ya ka jing snow ka donut ka jongpi.
And so in the yatra we spend 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Habangi ya kijat reunyo kenta ni snap ya ka sur jongki nongsong snong haki Jylla ba per kunjuro ka Jylla ka jongpi but haka bakot ka jing ya kijat ni kiran tang arpo arpusan minit.